Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Wednesday, May 9th. We're seeing another morning of low cloudiness out there, and we are seeing some more restricted visibilities this morning as we had forecasted yesterday due to some lower winds compared to yesterday morning. We do anticipate these low clouds and some restricted visibilities to continue through at least the morning hours. It does look like we're going to see a little bit more sun in the afternoon compared to yesterday, but still going to be, for the most part, a cloudy and somewhat cool day across the Wallops region. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, still seeing a very similar surface pattern as we saw yesterday morning, as we have a weak low off to the southeast and some high pressure off to the north. That high pressure has settled a little bit closer to the Wallops area, which has helped to relax that pressure gradient compared to yesterday morning. So not really seeing too much wind out there, and that has helped to thicken those low clouds up a bit, which has restricted visibilities across the area. That surface low will continue to weaken and move away from the area as high pressure continues to build in today, and that will eventually cut off the northeasterly flow, giving us helping to give us these low clouds as we go into later today and into tonight. We're going to see those winds really calm down for giving us the chance of patchy fog development as high pressure settles over the region and some lower level moisture sticks around. And then tomorrow morning we're going to see more of a warm up. Taking a look at our satellite loop here, as well as our local observations, we are seeing winds northeasterly across the Delmarva, fairly light. We are seeing some lower level clouds as well. Can't really see that well on this map, but those lower level clouds are going to be sticking around here for much of the day, with some breaks as we go into the mid to late afternoon hours. So as of 8 a.m., we were seeing cloud deck at 200 feet with visibilities just under 1 statute mile. Winds were from azimuth 020 at around 5 knots with a temperature of 55 degrees. Taking a look at our weather chart here, we are going to continue to see those low clouds as we go through the rest of the morning hours. Should see those ceilings lift just a bit, just above 500 feet as we go into the afternoon. And it does look like we are going to at least see a couple sun breaks, helping to get our temperature a couple degrees up above what we saw yesterday for this afternoon, with a high of 66 expected. Those winds are going to ramp up just a little bit as we go into this afternoon, coming 7 to 12 knots from the northeast or east-northeast. They will slowly shift easterly towards the latter half of the day. And then as we go into the evening hours, they're going to become light and variable. And that is going to allow some patchy fog development across the region. So could be seeing some lower visibilities as we go after about midnight tonight and into our drive to work tomorrow morning. Those lower level clouds are going to keep our low tomorrow